Imagine you came back home to relax. You grab your Oraimo Freepods 2 earbud and your smartphone. But you noticed one of your Oraimo Freepods not working. Hungry, right? I know how you feel, and in this video you will know the reasons why your Oraimo Freepods are not working or charging. Plus, the lasting solution to get them fixed, be it the left or the right earbud. Let's get down to business. First thing first, know the source of the problem. Is the fault with the Oraimo Freepod or the charging case? Honestly, my earbud is faulty, the left one, and I'm doing this on a live video. Solution 1. Clean the earbud. This could be because of the dust that have gathered over time and stuck to the mesh and the metal connectors. What you need: 2 Q-tip or a cotton bud, 2 woody toothpick, and a small quantity of a very good methylated spirit like Moko. So for the earbud, bring them out of the case. Please follow this instruction carefully. Dip the cotton bud into the methylated spirit and squeeze it till the cotton bud is just wet, as you can see here. Too much of methylated spirit can spoil your earbud, so be careful with this step. Grab the earbud and clean the mesh side first, followed by the metal connector. As you can see, the dirt, dust and the hairwash has gathered to a side. Now, get the toothpick to pick up the corner dirt. Good. And for the case, take a dry cotton bud and clean the inside connector of the charging case like this. You can also use toothpick to pick up the dirt at the USB port too. After you have done this, try and charge the case and the earbuds together for 20 minutes and see if it works. This got my left earbud working fine.
Oh my god! Wow!
But if not, go to the solution 2. Unpair all. This could be volume issue or the Bluetooth is not connecting well. What you have to do is to first of all increase the volume of your smartphone and try to unpair this Freepod. How, you ask? Switch on your Bluetooth and unpair the Oraimo Freepods from the Bluetooth list. At the Bluetooth page, select previous connected device. Select the both icon, then select forget button. Confirm this step by selecting the forget device option again. This will remove the Oraimo Freepods from your Bluetooth list. Now, give it some few minutes.
20 minutes later.
And try to pair the Oraimo Freepod with your smartphone. This time, this should get them fixed. But if not, let's go to the solution 3. Snap in fast. If they are not working and you have done the cleaning process very well, try putting the earbuds halfway into the ear case and hit it inside fast like this. This will force the connectors at the base of the earbuds to contact the charging pins fast. This is what fixes my Oraimo when one is not charging well. The lead may not show immediately that it is working. Make sure you charge it first. Charge it for extra 20 minutes. And if you have done this and the problem still persists, let's go to solution 4. Try another phone. Try connect this to another phone if your Oraimo Freepod is not connecting. This may sound senseless, but just try it. Who knows? This might work for it. And if it works for another phone, that means there's something wrong with your phone. Just kidding.
Got him! Got him!
And if you have tried all these solutions and it is not working still, please take it to the Oraimo Experience Centre near you. You have one at Ikeja. You can check the link in the description below to see the address. And that is the last place you can get solution from. Get there on time and drop it in with your informations and it will be fixed. I remember Babatunde Omotayo and I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe. Peace.